If someone is always on your mind, it may be a sign that they hold a special place in your heart. The human mind is a complex machine, and when someone occupies a significant portion of it, it's a testament to the depth of the relationship. Psychology suggests that the more we think about someone, the more likely we are to form a strong emotional attachment to them. When someone is always on your mind, it's an indication that they have a significant impact on your life and emotions. Having someone on your mind constantly can be both a blessing and a curse. It's a reminder of the love and connection you share. But it can also lead to feelings of longing and emptiness. Our thoughts have a powerful influence on our feelings and behaviors. When someone is always on our mind, it's important to examine the impact they have on our mental and emotional well-being. It's natural to think about those who hold a special place in our hearts, embrace the memories and cherish the moments that make them unforgettable. When someone is always on your mind, it's a sign of the enduring impact they have had on your life. Take a moment to appreciate the positive influence they have had on you. Thinking about someone constantly can be a reminder to prioritize the relationships that matter most to us and invest in those connections. Our minds have a way of fixating on what's important to us. When someone is always on our mind, it's a sign that they are an integral part of our lives. When someone is always on your mind, it's a sign that they have left an indelible mark on your soul.